Hello, this is a tutorial from LKS ASE on truncation and wildcards using MEDLINE from EBSCO as an example. In this example, we're going to do a simple search, paramedic star or ambulance star. This finds the plurals, paramedics or ambulances, and paramedicine. In the second keyword, we're searching for pediatric, which has a hashtag in front of the E finding the additional A character, and a star character at the end for pediatrics or pediatrician. We're searching in the title simply to limit the results and make them more manageable. If you look at the results, you'll see that we find pediatric spelled with an E and pediatric spelled AE. We also find paramedic and paramedics. We also find ambulance and ambulances. There is a guide on the library website with more details and a fuller explanation of wildcards and truncation characters if you would like to view it at ambulance.libguides.com. You can contact LKS ASE at library@nwas.nhs.uk.